Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. So let's set up a new fingerprint model, and let's do it better this time. Open Settings on your device, go to Display, then navigate down to Touch Sensitivity feature and toggle it on. After that, go to the Security and Privacy, go to Screen Lock and Biometrics, enter your current password, then select Fingerprints, and if you have previously set up fingerprints, then let's remove them. Tap Remove. And after that, let's add a new fingerprint by tapping the plus icon right here. And before you do that, grab a piece of microfiber cloth or just a dry towel to wipe the surface of the screen of your smartphone. And also make sure that you are either not using any screen protection at all, or if you are using one, then it should either be an original one or at least not a cheap or not a thick one, as Samsung uses a pretty much unique ultrasound fingerprint scanners that are not compatible with some sorts of screen protections, especially the cheap ones. So if you're not if you cannot register your fingerprint this way, then consider replacing your screen protection first. Otherwise, let's tap Continue, Register, and then just press your finger inside this circle. Make sure that the entire tip of your finger fits inside it. The circle will move, but you're gonna have to press it and lift up your fingertip whenever the circle is filled. Just like this, until the bar is filled to 100%. Tap Done and make sure that your software is updated. To do so, go to Settings, go to Software Update, select Download and Install, and make sure that your device is connected to the internet. If you have any software updates to install, then do it now. Download and install the latest software version for your device. This will make us sure that your software is in touch with your hardware, which is great in this situation. And otherwise, just restart your phone by holding down the power button and volume down keys for a couple of seconds. Select Restart, confirm, and let your phone reboot. This will clean the temporary data and also turn off the applications and processes running in the background on your smartphone. So let's wait until the smartphone restarts. And now that the smartphone is restarted, let it launch for a couple of seconds. First, unlock it using your password. This is a security measure. And once it fully launches, let's try to use our fingerprint scanner once again. And as you can see, it works just fine for me, and I hope that it does for you too right now. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.